Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri. Today is Thirsty Thursday, and if you can't tell by the smile on my face, today we are going to be working with bacon. So I am excited. We are going to be making a Bacon Me Angry. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and drinks, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And be sure to check the description below so you can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, so a Bacon Me Angry. So this drink is going to use some Angry Orchard. It's going to use some bacon-infused vodka. So the first thing we need to do is cook some bacon, which I've already done. So I've got my bacon set aside here so I can eat it all later. Actually, we're going to use a bit of that for garnish. We're also going to use a cherry for garnish. But besides that, you also want to save your bacon fat. So I have about 1.5 teaspoons of bacon fat in a 1/2 pint mason jar. And then I'm just going to fill the rest of the jar with vodka. So I've just got some Smirnoff here. And then we are going to give this a really good shake. So this is actually called not bacon. This is called washing. We're not actually infusing, we're washing. We're washing our vodka. Because we're going to strain this off. So what we want to do is let this sit on the counter for about 4 to 6 hours. And then after it has sat here and kind of absorbed some of the bacon flavor, then we're going to transfer it to the fridge, or we can actually put it in the freezer if we want for a few minutes and wait for that bacon fat to solidify again, and then we can strain it. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to let this sit for just a little bit, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so now that we've washed our vodka with the bacon, we can go ahead and strain this off. So I have... Let me get this off of here. So I have a fine mesh strainer here that I'm just going to place over a glass. We're just going to dump this right in here like that. And then we can just take our bacon fat here and we can set this aside and we'll deal with this later. So now that I have my vodka ready, I'm going to set it aside also, and I'm going to go ahead and work on my glass. So since I'm using a canned Angry Orchard, I thought it would be fun just to put this in an old mason jar type glass. But you can definitely do this like a cocktail and put it in a martini glass. So the next thing I want to do is get my glass ready. And I have got some Dimitri's RimShot here, which is awesome if you love Bloody Marys. So this is like some seasoned salt to like rim your glass with. I have the original, but I also have a bacon RimShot here. So that's what I'm going to use for the rim of my glass. If I can get it open without, there we go. I was afraid I was going to get salt everywhere. So I'm going to open my Angry Orchard. I'm going to take just a tiny bit. I'm just going to pour just a tiny bit in the bottom of my bowl. I just want to be able to get this wet. So we can dip this in our RimShot, just like that. All right. I can go ahead and put the rest of this in my drink. Now we need 1 ounce of our bacon washed vodka. So 1 ounce goes in. We need a dash of bitters. And then we also need a tiny bit of maple syrup. And that is it. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put some ice in my... I'm just going to do that. It's okay if I put my hands in here. I'm the only one drinking this. Okay, so we have our vodka. We have our maple syrup, our bitters, and now we need 4 ounces of our Angry Orchard. So 2 of these. And that's it. And we're going to shake it up. Oh, this doesn't go on. Why do I always try to do that? Can you imagine what would happen if I tried to shake it with that on there? Oh my gosh. It's like the 3rd time I've almost done that. Uh-oh. I'm still making a mess. That's probably pretty good. All right, so now we're going to strain this. Still making a mess on the table here. Look at that. Perfect amount. I'm going to put a straw in. Now we're going to add a slice of our bacon. So a piece of bacon goes in. And a cherry. Look how cute is that. That looks good. You can't put bacon and maple syrup in anything and it not be good. So I'm expecting this to be really good. That's not bad. That'd be really good with some barbecue, I think. Like some pulled pork butt, which I'm actually going to make on Sunday. That's good. I'm wondering if my husband would like it, though. So he is a huge, well, he used to be a huge Angry Orchard fan. He quit drinking the Angry Orchard. Now he drinks the Stella, the Cidres. So they taste kind of the same to me. So I don't know what the difference is. And he loves bacon, so I'm wondering if he would like this or not. I think it's pretty good. It's definitely different. So I definitely need you guys to give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink recipe. Bye.